Alright, moment of truth. Let's unbox the brand new iPad, 11-inch in blue. First off, this thing looks stunning. The blue, super fresh, stands out without screaming for attention. I love it. Inside, you've got that classic Apple minimalism, the iPad, a USB-C cable, and some paperwork. No charger, of course. But let's talk hardware. This iPad is rocking the A16 chip, which is the same silicon you'll find in last year's iPhone Pro models. Translation? It's quick. Apps open instantly, multitasking is buttery smooth, and even gaming feels effortless. The 11-inch liquid Retina display is gorgeous, as always. Colors pop, text is sharp, and it gets bright enough for outdoor use. Watching movies or editing photos on this screen, super enjoyable. Now storage. You're getting 128 gigs, which is a nice baseline. For most people, that's plenty for apps, files, and lots of photos. Speaking of photos, the 12MP cameras on both the front and back are solid. The front camera's especially great for video calls. It keeps you centered with center stage, which is a nice touch. Touch ID is built into the power button, which is quick and reliable, and of course, battery life. Apple claims all day, and honestly, I've been getting through a full day of work and play without hunting for a charger. So, is it worth it? If you want a speedy, beautiful, do-it-all tablet with modern features for under $1,000, this iPad 11-inch is tough to beat. Let me know in the comments. Would you pick blue or another color? Thanks for watching.